나도 이거 어릴 때 많이 먹었어.
So soft. 스트로베리 잼? 오.
No, we had to get these from.
네.
영어가 없으니까 이제.
정말 안.
와우. 아 괜찮다 진짜. 조합이 너무 좋다. 압승이 영어로 뭐예요? 압승.
It's been amazing.
와우. 와우.
보기에는 완전 그 초코칩 쿠키 있잖아요.
1920s, 20년대 때부터 있었대.
와.
Let's try it without milk first.
Why you?
Cheers.
Oh.
좋은데.
It's nice.
굿.
It's not. I thought it was gonna be a lot stronger.
약간 커피 같은데? 좋아지네.
Should we try it with milk?
오.
Let's try Milkis.
Cheers.
Cheers.
아.
오리지널이 역시 맛있어. 야.
아.
이게 맛있어?
야.
It's good.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
Good?
굿.
달것 같은데.
근데 딱 좋아.
어때? 뭐가?
Twiglets. It's oven baked. Oh, interesting. Actually, I might take some of these. It's like got a big kick. It was in. Close it. That could be good with ketchup, maybe. Okay. It's soft. I really like this. Shortbread. Wait, should I be choosing that one? And be loyal to this one is hard to beat, especially the spicy one. This is really good. I don't have to really try it. I know them both, so. This is really good too. I think this is gonna win. But it's so good. There. Wait, what's this called? Yakwa? Yeah, this is like traditional.
Let's try this one first, Milkis. Drink or?
와우. 진화 딥 초콜릿. Like
Rich flavor.
oh.
I love it.
Famous.
Yeah, I like that. 새우깡 have a
근데 너무 안 도와주시는 거.
spicy 새우깡. Yeah.
First taste this. Kisses.
근데 진짜 맛있어요.
Really good at milk, I think.
Why is it your favorite?
약간 한국으로 홍대병.
우와 피가 걸쭉해지.
우와 이거 왜 이렇게 진해? 그치?
cheers.
한 번 더, 한 번 더, 한 번 더.
You're sorry.
오케이. 신기하게 먹네.
굉장히 잘. 썩은. 국물을 맛봐야 돼. 이게 너무 맛있는데?
Actually, it's my favorite. It's this one. You really love it.
이렇게 한다. It's good.
Pretty good.
해산물 맛이 강한.
Great.
Interesting.
Lots of English people.
사실 뭐 아는 맛이라. Oh. I think it's like a.
That smells good.
It's a grape juice.